So guys, just finished college and we'll be driving home in rush hour. As you can see, it's 5:30. So we're gonna go. I had my mates in the car earlier, so it's like not messy, but the biting point's hard. This car park is so dark. Oh, we're gonna get stairs. So I've got a camera on my head, so people will stare. Bump at bump. Learning drivers everywhere, because there's a driving test centre down the road. There's people, and the only driver. Right, we'll go for it. If I stop at a zebra cross, I'm taking this camera off my head. It looks bad. I don't think I need to. No, we good. Back in a Chevy Spark. See, I switched over my what is it, like the POV, the camera onto my head, so you guys can see a lot more than what I did this morning. What's this guy doing? Taxi driver wants to go left and wants to go right. Take your pick. College was so long. Started at 9 o'clock and now finished at 5:30. But good job we drive, so I don't have to wait for the train. Here, like, I can't see because it's like blocking my. I'm gonna get a look, so I'll just go. That car's smoking. Alright, let's go. Can't I? I might buy the head mount for this camera, so it's not blocking my vision. Because right now I only see, because the camera is in the middle of my eyes. So, not gonna lie, I can see right, but it's just uncomfortable. I think there's a car on my blind spot. No, there's not. Can't see, so they're indicating right, so we can go. He's put his lights on. My lights on, yeah. Cool, I don't want to go red. I hate stopping here because it's like all on a hill, so you have to get the biting point, and finding the biting point is so hard. Well, it's not that hard, I just haven't got used to it yet. So and there's no traffic lights, so I'm gonna be waiting like 20 minutes because it's rush hour. And these people will be looking at me like, DYS. That Persian wants to go home. Go. Yeah, mate, you're on that lane, I'm in this lane, yeah. Just came off that really busy road, and almost home. Just on another quite busy road. This road used to be 60 miles per hour, then there was an accident, so now it's 40. So it was quite a bad accident. This road was closed for like 2 days. Almost home. So with this channel, I need like, because obviously I can't put the radio on, so I need more things to talk about or more video ideas. So let me know what you want to see next. Oh, shall we go here? We're just gonna go straight for it.